In this video, we're going to look into one of the most important problem with a man. In the sperm sample, I think that is something which is very important for a man. It affects their... So why does this obstruction happen? It could be due to infection in childhood, or it could be due to if it is testicular azoospermia, there are techniques, sperms from search for sperms, and even one or two sperms if you're able to identify and select. In this video, we're going to look into one of the most important problem with a man. We've seen many problems with women and fertility. I think this is something which is very common and raising amongst men. And it is very important to have an awareness about this particular topic called azoospermia or no sperm in the semen sample. So whenever there is azoospermia or no sperm in the sperm sample, I think that is something which is very important for a man. It affects their emotions, it affects their ego. They don't even come for a treatment. So whenever the couple is married for a longer duration and they don't intend to have a treatment, we can easily identify that it is a problem with the man and not the woman. So if there is a problem with the woman, they come and approach and seek help early. And if there is a problem with man, they don't seek help or come and discuss their problem with us. So this particular video is mainly done just to create an awareness about azoospermia or no sperm count. So as I'm telling, there is no sperm in their semen sample and there is no way that they could conceive naturally. There is 1% chance that a man, the incidence of azoospermia is 1%, and once it is identified, how do we identify this? There is no sperm in the semen test or semen analysis when it is being done. So what are the causes of azoospermia? It could be 3 different types. One is pre-testicular, that is after the testis. Usually after the testis, it is only conductive ducts which are available, that is vas deferens and ejaculatory duct. Any obstruction here, there will be a production of sperm inside the testis, but then it doesn't come out. So why does this obstruction happen? It could be due to infection in childhood, or it could be due to any surgeries, accidental cut, or trauma, any accidents, and sometimes due to vasectomy. If you have undergone a vasectomy, then obviously there is no chance that the sperm can come out. So these are reasons. Looking at the causes or reasons for testicular azoospermia, there is a damage to the testis. So it can happen with hormones, that is low level of testosterone and increase in prolactin and other hormones, or it could be due to radiation therapy or chemotherapy or mumps orchitis which happens during the childhood, some kind of surgery in the testicular level, or varicocele. These are common reasons where the testis can get affected and hence the sperm production can come down. Sometimes it could be pre-testicular, that is premature testicular failure, hormonal imbalances pre-testicularly, and any kind of genetic issues like cystic fibrosis and Kallmann syndrome, and also Klinefelter syndrome. These are pre-testicular reasons where you can have azoospermia. So how is it diagnosed? Definitely it is through the sperm analysis. You will not find even single sperm in the semen sample. So diagnostic test which is to be done for these men, yes, definitely other hormonal test has to be evaluated, genetic test, chromosomal test has to be done, an ultrasound of the testis has to be done, sometimes an MRI might be needed. Is there a treatment for these men? Will these men never get baby at all? Definitely these men can have a baby. There are many technological development, many surgeries and treatments which has been evolved over the period of time. So what are the treatments available for azoospermia? If there is an obstruction, relieving the obstruction through surgery is a very simple technique which has been done. If it is testicular azoospermia, there are techniques where we can retrieve sperms from the testicular level. If there are few sperms even available, there are procedures like TSA, MSA, and testicular sperm aspirations which are being done, and micro TSA is under the guidance of very high intensity microscope. We can remove the sperms, remove the testicular tissue, search for sperms, and even 1 or 2 sperms if you're able to identify and select, we can use these sperms to do an IVF and get a successful pregnancy. So men with azoospermia need not worry. There is definitely a solution. All you have to do is approach us.